Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we're going to be reorganizing my planner. I'm going to be making a couple of changes, and I just wanted to share with you guys the different things that I'm going to do to it. First thing is I did want to share the new planners that I purchased. Since I have 7 planners, I don't always buy them all at the exact same time. So I'll look at the different planners that Happy Planner releases, and then I will pick 2 or 3 that are January through December, and then when the June ones come out and it's the July through the next December, I will purchase some more. So these are the 2 that I bought. They are not going in my planner just yet because they don't start until January, but I did want to share them with you, and I am going to switch out my disc from the blue to the gold because I really love these gold discs. So I'm going to show you those, and the other thing is I purchased the Everyday Happy Planner pack, which this is the daily extension pack. I have been trying to get my hands on this for quite some time. Happy Planner had them, they were sold out, but I did find them on joann's.com. So I picked up a pack of these just because I wanted to see how they would work for me. You guys know I already have a weekly section in my catch-all planner, but I wanted to add a daily section. I wanted to see if that would even more increase my productivity. So I did pick up this pack as well. So let me show you the 2 planners that I did get for the January through December season. The first one I picked up is a dashboard layout planner. This is the homebody planner, and I just love how neutral and clean this looks. I love really clean, not too colorful planners. And when I saw this one, I was just like, I have to have it. I think it is super cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it as a social media planner or a home planner just as of yet, but it will be one or the other. Right now, I'm kind of leaning toward the home planner, but don't hold me to it because I'm not 100% sure. And I just really love this layout. So let me show you what the dashboards look like. This is January, February, which is really pretty. They have really nice neutral colors in this one, which I think is my favorite. I really am into neutral, lighter colors so that it's not overpowering the planner. Like this quote, "Don't be distracted by comparison." That's nice. Oh, this one's nice too. "No one has ever become poor from giving." Very nice. And I feel like this one is just the right amount of color. Like, it's not super neutral, but it's also not super colorful. It's the right mix. So I really love this one. And it's a nice floral cover. And the cover here says, "It's okay to be happy with a calm life." Really nice. The other one that I picked up is a vertical style planner that the cover just says, "Do what you love." So my favorite colors are pink, black, white, and gold. So I am sure I'm going to switch out my cover that I have in my current planner to this particular planner because it's super pretty, and this white and gold is just everything. I love it. So I love this one once again because the colors aren't too much. I'm really loving the gold disc, so I'm definitely going to take those discs off and add them to my planner instead. Like I said, this one is a vertical planner, and the dashboard here, I think all of them have quotes. Yeah, but we can go through them. This one says, "Don't just wake up and think about the woman you want to become. Wake up and be her." Really love that. And look how clean this is. No colors, very minimal. love this. So this will replace one of my vertical planners. I have a couple of vertical planners. It'll either be my social media, because currently my social media planner is a vertical style, or once again, it might be my home planner, because my home planner is the dashboard style. I go between those two styles for my home and my business planner. I have been leaning toward the vertical style for my business planner because I'm able to do social media and a bunch of other stuff in there as well. So we'll see. But let me show you guys the dashboards. This one says, be bold, plan your best life. Every morning you have a new opportunity to become a happier version of yourself. And this gold is absolutely beautiful. It shimmers. I really love that. She designed a life she loved. Confidence is power. This girl can. Worry less. It's a very good message. The best project you'll ever work on is you. Love that. Now, really like that. I don't know if you can tell, but the yesterday and tomorrow is crossed out. Life is gold. This black, white, and gold is everything. I'm loving it. And a girl, just a girl with goals. So I'm definitely going to take the cover of this planner, and this is going to be my new cover, and I'm going to take these discs, and this will be my new disc. So then that way my entire planner can be black, white, and gold. So this is my current planner, and now we are about to start taking it apart so that I can redesign it the way I want to. So I didn't get a chance to show you guys the front and the back, but the front says do what you love and the back says you can, end of story. Love that. I didn't even notice it until I took off the tags, but this will definitely be my new cover. So we're gonna take this off. And this was my old cover, which I was never crazy about it, but it came with the planner, so I was just working with it. And this is the cover for the hourly planner. So I'm just gonna switch the rings off of this planner and replace them with the ones on the other planner, so then I can have these gold rings. Okay, so my covers are on, and now I'm just gonna go through each section of my planner to make sure it's still working for me, it's still functional, and add it to this one. So these are my business cards, and they definitely still work for me, being able to hand one out anytime I need to. So I'm going to keep that in here. And I'm also really loving these pockets as well. I got these pockets from Office Depot. They are a part of Tool, the Tool brand. And you know, Tool also fits Happy planners because it's a disc bound notebook system. And so I love these. I think I have like 3 pockets in here, and I love the fact that they are clear and that they're smaller, because it's meant for their smaller junior size notebook. I just really love that it's able to still kind of fit in my Happy planner, and it's pretty flat. So now I'm thinking I want my daily section to be right in the front, maybe right after my catch-all, after this tab. I think that's what I'll do. You know what? No. I think I'm going to do one of the tabs from this pack, because there's dividers in here and I can make it a side divider. So in here you get some stickers, and then you have your daily sheets, which I love these because they have the top 3 priorities. You have your reminders, a to-do list for today, and then you have, I guess you can emphasize different things that you need to do right here. You also have a little self-care section and today's focus. So love these. I think they will be a great addition to my planner because I don't really have a to-do section of my planner. So I think that this will be nice. And you get some dashboards, but I really like this dashboard. So this is the one I'm going to use. And then I'm going to add some additional sheets here. Yes, I think I like this. So as soon as I open my planner, the very first tab, side tab I have will be my to-do list for everything I need to do for the day. And this will be like a daily section for me. So it's just within my catch-all section. For the catch-all, I will still have the hourly planner, but this will just be where I just jot down a bunch of random to-dos that may come to my head. So this is like replacing my brain dump section. And I just added a few because I don't want it to be too bulky. October from my catch-all planner now. Then I think I'm gonna make my very next section my faith section. I'm trying to place them in the order that I use them in the morning. So normally I will look at my catch-all first, then I will go to faith and write in my scripture of the day. Then I will look at my health planner. Because usually I am working out in the mornings. And I do have another pocket here, and this is where I just keep anything that's related to my health. This is for a dentist appointment that I have coming up, because I need to get my wisdom teeth pulled, guys, which I am really not happy about, but I know I gotta do it. So that's my health planner, and then we're going to do home. After home will be business. Then we're gonna go into budget. Then I have my church planner, which is also work for me. And my last one is my reading planner. Okay, this is not too bad. It's a little higher up, but it's not. I might end up taking this out. We'll see. Because I also need to add my ideas section back into here as well. So I like to keep a little notebook within my planner, and also my trackers. So I may just add that here after the daily section. Okay, this seems a little bit too thick now. So I'm gonna go through and see if I'm either gonna switch to the expander disc, which I don't think I want to do, or if I can take out some of the bulk. So I ended up taking out the beginning, the very beginning of all of the additional planners except my catch-all planner. So the beginning of the planners are just like the future dated things that you can kind of keep at the very front, but I needed to get rid of some of the bulk. So I'm going to add all of these back into their original planners, and I only kept the very beginning of the catch-all planner. So in the beginning of this one, I still have this future dated planner, in which I'll probably just use this to kind of mark off any national holidays or anything else that I might feel like is important that I may want to remember. Mainly I use this for national holidays so that I can plan for different things on social media. So I'm probably going to add that. And then I use this future dated section to mark off any vacation, birthdays, anniversaries, things like that, so that I can plan for those things ahead of time. I also took out my business cards, and that was just to kind of get rid of some of the bulk as well. I have these also in my wallet, so push come to shove, I could just pull them from my wallet. So I have them in multiple places, and that decreases the bulk, and now I can close my planner, because at one point I couldn't close it and I really didn't want to switch to the expander disc. So now I'm just going to label these two. I'm gonna put daily here and notes on this one. In order to label it, I'm using my Brother label maker. I got this label maker a couple of years ago. It was a gift from my husband because he knows that I just adore label makers, and I was super excited to get it. The first section is going to be daily, and then the next section is going to be notes. I'm just going to trim this down and add them on there. And that is it. I love this. I really feel like this daily section is going to help out a lot, because then I'll be able to just jot down random notes, brain dump all of that on these pages, and be able to still list out priorities and all of my notes. Really looking forward to using these sheets, and I'm loving how easy the rest of this is and loving the new colors. Love this cover so much. Well guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have never put together a frankenplanner before, then seeing my process and how I think through it, hopefully this has helped you. So I will see you in the next one, and until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.